Hello guys, it's Tatiana and Nikolai here. We are broadcasting from Exclusively Dance Studios, and today we're gonna do rumba, dance of love.
And we're gonna go over a few basic elements and as well as the count for the routine. And here we are. We're gonna start, commence on the right foot, and we're gonna start with a side step with the left foot. We're gonna go 4, 1 basic step, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, side slightly forward, going into the spot turn, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Time step, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Cucaracha. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, and 4, 1.
All right, we're gonna talk a little bit of technique, especially I wanna address the spot turn. It's two ways I'd like to talk about that sometimes first way, we're gonna brush the foot. We're gonna do spot turns. We take a step, we brush in the foot, in the end of the turn, transfer the weight forward, and take a side step, and we do once more. It's one way, you step across, brush the foot, transfer the weight forward, and the side step. And the other way is to do it, just leave the foot as it is. So as we're crossing our foot, cross, lift the point there, settle, transfer the weight forward, and a side step again, and step across, transfer, side step. Also, I would like to talk about ladies' time step. We do change the weight every single time, but the ladies can do a little bit more styling differently, so using a little bit more hips. While Nikolai is going to change the weight and use much more upper body and the hips, the ladies are going to use much more round in the hips, create the figure 8, right? I just want to do that once more. So we're going to do, starting on the right foot, I'm going to do lady steps, a little bit more curvier, and Nikolai is going to do much more manly, yeah? So we're going to do and 2, 3, 4, 1, all around, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's good. Nikolai, do you want to talk about some?
So I just want to go get also as well as time step that you want to coordinate your joints, your ankle, your knee, and your hip. And the way you do it is that you have to place your flat foot down and straighten your knee, and then go into your hip. Again, if you choose to pick up your foot, your heel off the floor, heel has to go to the floor first, knees with the knee straightening, and then you go into your hip. So it goes 2 and a 3 and a 4, 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4, 1. And now we're going to do the same routine, but we're going to do it facing each other. Since now we're facing each other, Tatiana is going to start with a different foot, and we're going to mirror each other. So this way it gives us opportunity to do the same step with a different foot. All right, so we're going to go and 4, 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4, 2, 2 and a 3 and a 4, 3, 3 and a 2 and a 4, 4, 2 and a 3 and a 5, 4, 2 and a 3 and a 4, 4, 2 and a 3 and a 4, 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4, 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4, 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4, 1. Well, thank you so much. This was the rumba broadcast from Exclusively Dance Studios. We are looking forward to see you soon at the studio, but for now, please stay happy and healthy because you dance. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye. See you next week.